everyone! Today we are back with another discussion and another PowerPoint tutorial. Today, ang gagawin natin is brush effect using PowerPoint presentation. So, katulad niya na nasa screen nyo. So, gagawa tayo ng ganyan. Okay? So, to start, insert tayo ng bagong slide or blank slide. And then, format natin yung background. Pwedeng right-click, then format background. Or pwede rin sa ribbon natin, design, and then format background. Make sure na yung background natin is naka-picture. Okay? Pili tayo ng file. Okay? So, hanap tayo, browse tayo ng picture. So, in this case, ang ginamit ko is this one. So, yung couple. Okay? Next is, insert tayo ng text box. Okay? So, ito yung magsisilbi yung brush effect natin. Okay? Gagamit tayo ng font style na road rage. Kung wala kayong font style na road rage, pwede nyo siyang i-download sa 1001freefonts.com. Lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description. Yan. Okay? Next is, mag-insert naman tayo ng shape. Rectangular shape. So, dapat kasing size niya yung ating text. And then, dapat mako-cover niya. Make sure na mako-cover siya ng buo. Then, send it backward. Then, select both yung ating shape at saka yung ating text. Then, under format, punta tayo dito sa merge shapes and then intersect. Beautiful. Make sure pala na wala siyang outline. No outline. So, meron na tayong shape na magsisilbing brush effect ng ating PowerPoint. And then, arrange natin siya. So, para mukha talaga siyang pininta. Ipininta. Binrush. Okay, next is copy lang natin to. Pwedeng copy-paste or mas mabilis is duplicate. Duplicate, keyboard shortcut is Ctrl-D sa inyong mga keyboard. So, mga 5 times, I think. 5 to 6 times. So, 5 to 6 copies ng ating shape. Brush effect shape. Okay? Or, kayong bahala. Depende kung gaano lawak na scope or kalaki yung gusto nyo sakop yung ating brush effect. So, next one is select natin siya. Okay. So, make sure na nakaselect lahat. And then, format natin yung ating shape. Format object. And then, yung kanyang pinaka-fill should be slide background. Okay? Next is, insert tayo ulit ng shape. Insert tayo ng shape, rectangular shape. Make sure na makakover yung buong slide. And then, shape fill should be white. No outline. And send it backward. Okay? Beautiful, diba? So, for the last part, yan. So, select natin ulit lahat ng object natin, yung brush effect object, and then punta tayo sa animation. So, nandito na ang ating magic. So, wipe. Yan. Open natin si animation pane. Kung mapapansin nyo, lahat ng direction nila since nakaselect all ay from bottom or pataas. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, make sure pala ito ay naka with previous, start with previous. And then, edit natin isa-isa. Yung start ay nagsimula from bottom, so yung sunod ay from top. Then, the other one from top ulit. So, alternate sila. From top. Okay, so we're done. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung kanyang final output kung na-achieve ba natin. Okay? Oops! Meron tayong mali. Lagyan natin siya ng delay. Okay, delay natin. So, para hindi sila magsasabay-sabay. Ayan. So, delay. Try natin ulit. Nice one. Okay. So, that is brush effect using PowerPoint presentation or using text box and sheets. Okay. So, see you next video lesson. Bye!